Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics. Agilus Diagnostics.
Fatty liver was a disease of the old. Why are kids getting it so early? If you heard that an 8-year-old is sick with fatty liver disease, your first reaction will be shocked and confused. An illness that belonged to elderly is spreading much faster among kids. Scientists are trying to figure out why exactly. What changed in the early 2000s? बिफोर वी गेट टू दिस, सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि फैटी लिवर डिजीज होता क्या है। सिंपल लैंग्वेज में जब लिवर में ज्यादा फैट जमा हो जाता है तो ये कंडीशन होती है फैटी लिवर डिजीज। ये फैट लिवर को डैमेज कर सकता है और आगे चलकर लिवर की फंक्शनिंग को अफेक्ट कर सकता है। पहले ये सिर्फ अडल्ट्स को होता था, स्पेशली अल्कोहल पीने वालों को, लेकिन अब नॉन अल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर डिजीज NAFLD बच्चों में भी देखने को मिल रहा है। शॉकिंग, राइट? A recent global study involving over 40 researchers revealed that the global prevalence of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is 30.2%. India has an even higher rate of 33%. It is more prevalent among Indian women 38% compared to men 33%. The study found that eating fast food is associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a potentially life-threatening condition in which fat builds up in the liver. Researchers discovered that people with obesity or diabetes who consume 20% or more of their daily calories from fast food have severely elevated levels of fat in their liver compared to those who consume less or no fast food at all. Now you're probably wondering, why are kids getting this condition? Well, the root causes are lifestyle changes. The main reason fatty liver disease has become an epidemic is that more and more children face obesity. Children affected by obesity have a 38% chance of developing fatty liver disease. Since obesity is an epidemic on its own, fatty liver disease mirrors that. Also, individuals consuming a non-vegetarian diet were twice as likely to have NAFLD compared to the vegetarians. And what makes this more dangerous is the fatty liver disease often has no symptoms until it becomes severe. This means kid can be living with it without knowing it. So, can fatty liver disease be reversed? There is no medication to reverse or cure this. However, lifestyle changes can make a big impact on disease progression in both the short and the long-term cases. While fatty liver disease is dangerous over the long term, it is a disease you can work to improve. The liver is an interesting organ and capable of regenerating and recovering. If healthy lifestyle changes are made, children with fatty liver disease should work with a dietitian to develop a nutrition plan that involves fewer calories, less sugar, and less fat. Children should also increase their physical activity. When it comes to exercise, children should be encouraged to do things they already love, whether it's basketball, soccer, dance, or walking or biking with the family. Here are some foods that are good choices for your liver. सबसे पहला आता है lean proteins. Now, getting enough protein is crucial for your liver, and lean chicken, turkey, fish, and beef are also good options. Try to have them instead of processed foods such as hot dogs, salami, which contain a lot of fat and salt. For plant proteins, some good choices are nuts, lentils, tofu, or peas. Fruits and vegetables gives your liver the micronutrients it needs and has fiber, which helps your overall digestive system. Make sure to include leafy greens, which contain vitamin K, a nutrient your liver uses to control blood clotting. Berries are good too since they contain antioxidants which may reduce the effects of inflammation in the liver. Now, you can also have olive oil, which contains antioxidants, and vitamin E, which may help protect you against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Nuts and seeds like olive oil, nuts contain vitamin E as well, and as mentioned above, they are a good source of plant protein. Oatmeal and other high fiber foods help keep your digestive system flowing smoothly so your stool can help remove toxins from your body. Coffee and tea. Coffee may help your liver function, just don't load it up with creamier or sugar syrup. And some researchers suggest that the green tea might also help prevent fatty liver disease. Talk to your doctor about your coffee and your tea before consumption. It might not be recommended for people with certain health conditions or who take certain medications. इसी के साथ you should get routine checkups. Get regular health screenings for early detection, especially if your child is at risk due to weight or family history. फैटी लिवर डिजीज को अर्ली स्टेज में ही रोका जा सकता है, लेकिन प्रिवेंशन सबसे जरूरी है। तो चलिए आज से हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल को अपनाते हैं, सिर्फ अपने लिए ही नहीं बल्कि हमारी आगे आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए भी। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हाट द हेल्थ ऑन फिट तक।